Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, let us unbox and set up the brand new Logitech MK250 Bluetooth mouse and keyboard combo. In the box, you get the mouse and keyboard with pre-installed batteries and some user documentation. Let's start with the mouse. The Logitech M196 Bluetooth mouse uses Windows Swift pairing to instantly pair your mouse to a PC when it's nearby. Swift pairing is enabled by default on Windows, but if it's not, you can enable it by going to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Devices, and then scroll down to Device Settings and enable Swift pairing. Remove the pull tab at the back to power on your mouse and make sure the LED indicator starts blinking rapidly. Once your mouse is detected, the Swift pair notification will pop up on your screen. Click on Connect. You've now successfully connected your Logitech M196 Bluetooth mouse to your PC via Bluetooth using Swift pair. Let's move to the keyboard. The Logitech MK250 Bluetooth keyboard uses Windows Swift pairing to instantly pair your keyboard to a PC when it's nearby. First, remove the pull tab at the back to power on your keyboard and make sure the LED indicator starts blinking rapidly. Once your keyboard is detected, the Swift pair notification will pop up on your screen. Click on Connect. Enter the passcode shown on your screen on the keyboard and press Enter. You've now successfully connected both mouse and keyboard in your Logitech MK250 combo to your PC via Bluetooth using Swift pair. In case the Swift pairing method doesn't work, you can use the regular Bluetooth pairing method to connect your Logitech MK250 Bluetooth and mouse combo to the PC. To do this, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, click on Add Devices in the Devices tab, and click on Bluetooth. Remove the pull tab on your mouse and make sure you see the LED light is blinking rapidly. Your mouse will appear on screen. Select it. You have successfully connected your Logitech M196 to your PC via Bluetooth. For the keyboard, click on Add Devices in the Devices tab and click on Bluetooth. Remove the pull tab on your keyboard and make sure you see the LED light is rapidly blinking. Your keyboard will appear on the screen. Select it. Enter the passcode shown on the screen on the keyboard and press Enter. You've successfully connected both mouse and keyboard in your Logitech MK250 combo to your PC via Bluetooth. At the back, after a single press of the power button, if the LED turns on, then the mouse and keyboard is on. But after a single press, if the LED has no light, then it's off. Long press the pairing buttons for 3 seconds until the light starts blinking rapidly. You can connect using Swift pairing, if enabled, or go into the Bluetooth settings and select the M196 and MK250 from the list of available devices. If you have any other questions or for more information, visit our support site listed in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.